Welcome to my channel. My name is Dale Lynn. I hope you're having a great day. For today's episode, I have made a list of the top 5 biggest mistakes affiliate marketers are making and how they can stop doing those 5 things right now before they lose their shirts. Be sure to stick around to the end of the video where I will reveal the all-in-one solution to these mistakes that is guaranteed to make your life a lot easier and more profitable. Let's begin with number 5. Signing up for too many affiliate programs. It's okay to eventually offer several affiliate programs, but save that for your list of subscribers. Most people who buy affiliate programs will buy several more during the first year of joining. There are lots of reasons for that, but I'm telling you right now, do not chase shiny objects. If you already have a high converting affiliate offer, focus just on it. Figure out ways to better promote that one offer. Almost everyone falls into the same trap. Don't do it. Now, if you don't have a proven high converting affiliate offer, then check out the link below in the description for my number 1 recommended offer. Number 4, not tracking your ad links. There is an old saying that if you are not tracking your links, you are losing money. In a world of slim margins, tracking and scaling is often the difference between success and failure. How else will you know which traffic sources are working and which ones are not? The smart affiliate marketer will cast a wide net and then through tracking filter out the unprofitable traffic and scale up the profitable traffic. I will be going into more detail on this in a future video, but for now just find a simple tracker and use it. There is always Bitly and Google if you want a free tracker. I put a link to the tracker I use in the description below. The third mistake affiliate marketers make, working within an uninteresting niche to you. This should go without saying, but we see it time and time again. People will choose to promote an affiliate offer that they either know nothing about or worse, they have absolutely no interest in the offer beyond conversion rates. I have students ask me to review their lead capture pages and funnels, and I always ask them why they like that affiliate offer. What do they really know about it? Do they have it themselves? More often than not, they know nothing more than what the product creator told them in a sales letter. Where's the passion in that? Make a quick list of things you are passionate about. Then list programs you personally use that have affiliate offers. Find an affiliate offer that is on one or better yet both of those lists. For example, I use the Home Business Academy's Funnel Builder and have for years. I enjoy building websites and sales funnels, but it wasn't until recently that I actually started promoting HBA. I am not sure why, really. I guess I was making so much money using the platform that I wasn't interested in promoting it. I do now and have kicked myself many times for not doing it years ago. It has to be the easiest and best paying affiliate program I have ever promoted. HBA has an incredible affiliate program that pays an 80% commission every month on all of their products. Try the program. It's only $25. Get familiar with it, and if you like it, promote it. I will help you every step of the way. Just go to atlastaway.com to get on my team so that we can personally assist you in getting set up. The number 2 mistake affiliate marketers are making is not collecting customer emails. Too many affiliate marketers are directly linking their traffic to the affiliate offer. They don't care about building a list and promoting other offers to their list, but they are leaving the real money on the table by doing that. Smart affiliate marketers know that if they just break even on the affiliate offer, then they are building their list for free, and the real money has always been in the list. When you bypass collecting the email addresses of people interested enough in your niche to give up their email address, then you are just building someone else's business. And when you stop sending traffic, you are no longer making money. You are losing money. However, if you have a list of potential buyers, you have built your business. The national average is each person on your list is worth $1 a month. So if you have 1,000 people on your list, you should be making about $1,000 a month. 10,000 people on your list, you do the math. So capture those leads. At atlastaway.com, we provide you with the lead capture page, thank you page, follow-up emails that include upsells at an 80% commission paid monthly. This is truly unprecedented in affiliate marketing. It is as easy as direct linking, but you also collect the emails of opt-ins and buyers. If you don't see the significance of that, then I don't know what else to say. I left a link in the description if you want to know more about it. And now, as promised, the number 1 mistake affiliate marketers make and how to avoid it. But first, if you like my videos, subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified because I have some more videos coming out very shortly that will cover more real-world money-making strategies in greater detail. Here is the number one mistake affiliate marketers make: getting lost in all the moving parts. I personally prefer to simplify things, and that's why I have used HBA for years. Tens of thousands of other people do too. It is better at building funnels and complete websites than platforms costing 3 times more. Again, you are welcome to join my team, and I will be there for you every step of the way. Nobody gets left behind. That's about it. Let me know in the comments if I missed anything. In the next video, we are going to be talking more about easy affiliate marketing, my favorite done-for-you programs. So I will see you in the next video.